Here it is, my first tractor. There she goes. She's not big, but she's on there, nice and secured. I put a strap on the hood because the hood pops open. Strap on the basket. Chains and binders, not needed, but I did it anyway for the practice. Chains and binders. Bungee cord holding the chains, getting that slack up. Bungee cord holding the handle down. Didn't need it, but I'm doing it for the experience. Strap on the hood, chains and binders, everything strapped down, everything secured. This is the one that has a little slack on it, but this one ain't going nowhere. Do what you gotta do. Get that experience. Practice is perfect. She looking pretty. There she is. Got my first tractor. Flow Transport Solutions. Not only cars, shipments of tractors also included. Peace.